Today we will learn how to design a t-shirt, especially for Mother's Day. Hello, welcome to Illustrator with Bronze Graphics. Rectangle tool, shortcut is M. Hold Shift button and make a shape. Ellipse tool, shortcut is L. Hold Shift button and make a shape. Window to Pathfinder. Select and make it unite. Right-click, transform to rotate. Right-click, transform to rotate. Hit on copy. Select and make it unite. Line segment tool. Change stroke weight. Polygon tool. Click on blank area. Remove stock. Add fill color. Drag and hold Alt button for copy. Window to align, shortcut is Shift plus F7. Vertical align center. Object to expand. Select and make it unite. Object to path, offset path. Select and click on minus. Right click to ungroup. Remove stock. Add fill color. Select and go to eyedropper tool. Shortcut is I. Go to type tool. Choose a font. Drag and hold Alt button for copy. Go effect, warp to arc. Object, envelope distort to make with mesh. Shortcut is Alt plus Control plus N. Direct selection tool. Shortcut is A. Right-click, arrange, send to back. Select, right-click, make clipping mask. Go Effect, Warp to Arc. Object, Envelope Distort, to make with mesh. Shortcut is Alt plus Control plus N. Direct Selection tool. Shortcut is A. Right-click, arrange, send to back. Select, right-click, make clipping mask. Ctrl plus G for make it group. Effect, pixelate, to mesot it. Effect, texture, to texturizer. Object, to expand appearance. Window, to image trace. Black and white mode. Tick, ignore white option. Object, image trace, to expand. Select, and make it unite. If you want to print it, select CNYK. Right-click, to ungroup. Change fill color. Subscribe, and press the bell icon to get upcoming video notification. Make sure you leave a comment if you have any questions. Follow me on social media. I upload interesting design using Photoshop, Illustrator. Love you all.